have a Kenmore Elite Smart Dry Sensing and Steam. What is energy saving technology. So it's making kind of noise. Okay, so let's fix that one. All right, so we can start from here. We can tilt it back. So make sure it's in the right spot. So we need to take these screws off. And one more. So then we can put it back the same place it was. Okay, remove these two. So you can get a pattern off or a flat screwdriver. And that's gonna be just like that. So we need to disconnect this one first. Can put it to the side. And now we need to remove these two screws. Okay. One through here, and so we can just push it, and we able to take this one off. We can put it to the side. So in this case we need a star head screwdriver, so we need to take these are off, then we can access underneath that. And once we remove these, so we able to take off the front bulk. So we now need to remove these off. Okay. So we can put this one to the side. Two more. So we can lock this one up. Same thing, we can put it to the side. And now we need to remove these three. So then we can able to remove the front bulk. Okay, and be careful about the lead switch wire, so we can do it. Okay. So we can pinch down this one, and we can use a flat screwdriver or it to the side. So we can disconnect this clip again. So we can pinch it and just like that. Then we can disconnect it from here. This one as well. So now we can remove these four. Okay. Do we have one more here? We do, but it's not on. So what's that? So we can lift that one a little bit and remove that one out. Okay. So just like that. We can put this one on the side. We will check so what's wrong with it. Now we can reach on the belt and we can release that from the pulley or motor. So stuck somewhere. There you go. Now, so we access on here. So as I'm just gonna clean this one first and we will see so what's wrong with it. So we can start with outer pulley back. You know, people always mention something. You can take the from the rear back. Then it's no possible. Samsung, yes, some other dryer possible, but let's see if one try to able the back from there to just replace the pulley. I never pay attention on the. I never get the drum. So that's why I always take apart and so make sure everything's ran as it should. Then I put it. I know it's gonna take a little time than the normal, but I'm cool with that. You know, I'm enjoying while I'm doing this. So that's totally fine. So once we put that, then we can install this string back. And now we can put the drum back. So you can reach on the pulley, all the pulley, just lift it up, push it to the left and hook it up to the motor. So once we're done, then we can put the fan bolt. Before I put it back, so I need to clean these, make sure it's not worn or whatever. Put some oil on them and clean them, put them back. In these. And this is the fan part as well. Just some oil. Do like this. Okay. Just like that. Then you can get one of these and clean it out. Now we can start it. So start with just lift the drum a little bit, so hook those two wheels on the drum, and then we can lift that one and set it on the place. If it's just a gap, just do it this way, halfway like rotation, and it should be fine. So connect the wire and all right, we can start it with these. Okay, top, 2 and 2 more. We can get one of these and just like that. Get this one. So now we go with the front board. So hook this one up here. Okay. Just like that. And now we can put those 2 screws. So when we put few right here, I see. There was a big gap between these two. Okay, so we can put this one back. And then this one right here. Okay, so now you need a 4-head screwdriver, so to put these are back. Okay, let's put these are back. If I miss one of 2 or you miss one of these, don't worry about it. That's not a big deal. You have always and keep some screws right there. So just gonna tighten it up. And we need 3 more. Don't worry. So we have a replace for those screws. It's not. So it doesn't matter if you miss or put a different, okay? Don't get panic or. So we now connect these wire back. Okay. And this one we can go inside, right there. And as you can see, it's a dent on them. So most of the time, so yeah, just like that. And it's not perfect, but much better than it was. Okay, We can start with one end. So we can connect our wire back. Okay, so we can put the two screws, make sure it's fit on the spot. And the next one. So we can tilt it back now so we can put those 4 screws underneath. So we can put these on back. So now we can put screws back. Okay. Huh? Alright, these are gonna be extra. Never mind, I'm just kidding. I'll put these are back. So put the filter and we about to check him, see how it goes. Alrighty. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching. If you're getting of value from the video, don't forget to subscribe, leave us a comment, share with your friend, and how you can support me, and see you next video.